During the Battle of Verdun, the French were suffering heavy casualties. To help reduce the pressure on the French troops, the British Army decided to attack German positions along the Somme River. The main goal of the Battle of the Somme was to divert German forces away from Verdun. In July 1916, the British forces planned the attack, but before that, their artillery bombarded the German army for nearly 8 days, just as the Germans did during the Battle of Verdun. The British Army fired nearly 1.7 million shells at the German fortifications. They were confident that the German forces would suffer the same way the French did during the bombardment at Verdun and their infantry would easily reach the fort, but that never happened. The German army was already aware of the attack. They left their front lines and took shelter in deep trenches. When the bombardment started, more than half of the shells didn't even explode, causing little to no damage to the German troops. However, the British officers still believed they had destroyed the German front lines and ordered their infantry to advance and capture the German positions. In this infantry, many of the soldiers were very young and inexperienced. They were fighting for the first time. They carried heavy loads because they were unaware that the German army had hidden themselves. As the infantry advanced, the soldiers were met with heavy fire from the German army and suffered massive casualties. It was a disastrous day in British history, with many soldiers dying in a single day. Despite the heavy losses, General Douglas Haig did not change his strategy. The following day, he again ordered his soldiers to attack. Due to this flawed strategy, even more soldiers died in the days that followed during the Battle of the Somme. Ultimately, General Haig changed tactics to target smaller German positions rather than continuing with large-scale frontal attacks. By the end of July 1916, German casualties had reached 150,000, while British losses totaled 200,000. In late August, it became clear that the Germans would not win. On 15 September 1916, the British Army made history by using tanks for the first time in the Battle Somme. The tanks used were early models called Mark I or land ships. They were not very effective because many had mechanical problems and did not reach the front lines. As a result, they did not significantly impact the battle. On 18 November 1916, after 141 days of heavy fighting, British troops were ordered to stop their advance, ending the battle. Despite the long engagement, the British forces advanced only 11.2 kilometers into German-held territory. This small gain came at a huge cost, with millions of casualties on both sides. The Battle of the Somme and the Battle of Verdun are considered among the deadliest and most devastating conflicts in world history. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do like, share with friends, and please subscribe to the channel.